UpWork promo code for connects. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can find UpWork promo code for connects. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now, you want to search for Coopert over here. Then click on this option from Chrome Web Store. Now, you want to add this Coopert extension on your web browser. So for this, click on the Add to Chrome option. Now click on Add Extension. Now wait for this to be downloaded. After it is downloaded, it will be added to your Chrome. Now you want to click on this extension icon, then pin this extension. After this, sign into your account in Coopert, and now Coopert will find UpWork promo codes for you in the website. However, if it does not find any promo code, you can simply open up a new tab and search for UpWork promo code. Then out of the search results, click on any reliable website such as worthapenny.com. Then over here as well, you will find different UpWork promo codes, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.